Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. So y'all see me do the video with my tape ins, right? So now that was a while ago. So that was, I want to say, for Thanksgiving. Like that's how long that I did that. And I had to take them out, and I obviously need to redo my hair. So I'm going to be doing the sewing. Like I said in the last video, I really want to do the sewing because, you know, the TikTok girlies are bringing the sewings back. Like they're over the tape-ins. You know, I did want to try micro links, but we're bringing the sewings back. So I'm like, you know, what better train to jump on than the sewing train? So I'm going to be taking this hair old wig, and I'm going to be doing my sewing with this old hair. Now, this wig is probably about, I want to say like 2 or 3 years old, but I'm gonna revamp it because we love a revamp. We love a transition. You know, we just like making the old look new, and it's like kind of like a challenge. And like, who doesn't like a challenge? You know what I'm saying? So if you want to see how I did that, keep watching the video. And if you haven't seen my taping video, go watch that, okay? And tell me how you like it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So right now I'm getting the old thread out of this wig and taking the wefts out. Okay, y'all, so I took my glasses off. That don't got nothing to do with nothing. But I got all the hair out the wig. It looks thick. Like, it looks enough for a sewing. Like, come on. She's giving. She's giving. I can't wait. It's gonna be kind of long. Not really. You know, middle length. You know, like a wifey type of hairstyle. So, yeah. I'm going to get the dye. I'm going to show you guys what colors I'm using, and I'm going to watercolor them. Okay, so if you wanted to know how I get my perfect ginger hair color, these are the colors that I use. So screenshot this and go forth and be great. But these are the colors that I'm going to be using today to color the blonde hair. So I'm going to be using this hair bucket. I'm going to fill it with some hot water, and then I'm just going to, you know, throw the color in there and then throw the hair in there. Okay, y'all, so the water is hot, and I know people don't care if it's hot or not. I just feel like heat helps things penetrate more. So I used piping hot water. I didn't boil it, just like regular piping hot water from the sink. So now I'm gonna throw the dye in. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm basically just trying to get that color to saturate the hair. Okay, y'all, so I am braiding my hair. As you can see, this, and this is going to be my leave out. These are going back up, and I'm going to continue braiding. I kind of started because braiding for me takes the longest time besides sewing. So right here, I'm actually making sure to cover my braids in a net. Some people don't do that, but I feel like because my hair is so fine and so thin, it protects my hair just a little bit more. Okay guys, I'm almost done. The hair is kind of lighter than my hair, but I'm gonna make it blend. I have hair out right here and it's not too bad when I push it back. Like, you can't really tell. So I think once it goes up, it'll blend. Like right here, you can't tell that much either. This is flat. Let's talk about it. Flat, okay? So I'm about to finish this top right here, and then it's time to flat iron. So after taking the hair out the wig, I realized it was like kind of uneven, but not really bad. So I just decided to make it a little bit more even and clip the ends of the hair. So hear me out, guys. This flat iron by Red by Kiss is 10 times better than a hot comb. Like, you're not gonna burn yourself as much as you would with a hot comb. Just try it. Just go to your beauty supply store and pick it up. So now I'm just throwing some layers in there because, as you guys can see, the front of my hair is a little uneven. So I'm just gonna add some layers. And me personally, I'm not like a bone straight girl unless it's like a jet black middle part bust down. So I decided to curl the end of the hair just with whatever flat iron I was using. And these Revlon flat irons, I'm just telling y'all, get it straight, okay? You do not need to pay Babyliss money. Just go get the Revlon out of Ulta. So right now I'm taking my yellow edge booster and I'm just like slicking my baby hairs down. I realized that adding like a tiny amount of water sometimes get it slicker, like it hardens a little bit better. But that's just me. I kind of learned how to work with it. But yeah. And now I'm just taking any humidity blocker I'm having just to make sure my hair doesn't poof up. And yeah, guys, this is the end result. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want another video. Comment below, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.